Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. What we're going to do today is remove this little stub shaft, and we're going to replace it with the new one that came in the timing kit. The only tool I'm going to need is this hammer, and gently tap it left to right and get it out. So what I'm going to do, I've already had this out, so what I'm going to show you is, oh, it came out, but you would hit left, right, and then it'll come out. Pay attention. These oil holes right here should go in the same way. That way it can retain as much fluid, because if you had it down, all the oil is going to drain out. The kit came with a new one, so we're going to install it because the old one's worn, and if you put this on, it may work for a while, but then you may have issues. So I got my new one. Pay attention to the orientation. Rubber mallet. And it's going to go in. It's going to fit a little bit loose for right now, so you got to be careful. So what I found easiest is just remove the shaft, put it in the idler sprocket, and then put them together. Make sure that it's lubricated before you assemble them. And then once you get it in, put the bolt in. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.